Now we're going to start our Tai Fascia Yoga, combining all of the easy poses and seated poses and bound ankle pose. Start spinning around like you're churning butter. 2, 3, feel, and 4. Good. Take it the other direction. 1, inhale and exhale. 2, inhale, exhale. 3, inhale and exhale. 4, inhale. Opposite direction. 1, take your chin and lead, leaning back and leaning forward. 2, the entire torso and neck. 3, big old round circles. And 4, take it the other side. Here we go. Inhale, back. Exhale. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. All right, let's take the twist. Palm to the opposite knee, palm behind, dip the shoulder downward towards the knee. 1, reach. 2, reach. 3, reach. And 4, reach. Taking the palm on top of the head, side dagger, seated pose. 1, chest open. 2, chest open. 3, chest open. 4, good. And swing the elbow over to that opposite knee. 1, open the chest to the back. 2, open the chest to the back. Yes. 3, feel that stretch. Feel each fascia moving the lungs and the chest and the torso. 4, feels so good. And switch, palm to the opposite knee, dip the shoulder down. 1, reach out. And 2, reach behind you. And 3, and reach. And 4, and reach. Good. Get ready to take the hand on top of the head, side dagger seated pose. And 1, open the chest. 2, open the chest, feel the stretch in the neck. 3, 4, here we go. Swing the elbows down and over to the opposite knee. 1, and open the chest. 2, and open the chest. And you can do an opposite stretch here. 3, by pulling the opposite knee. Nice. 1 more. And 4, twist and open. Nice job. All right, now we're going to slowly come onto our knees for our dolphin. We're going to go ahead and bring our hands and interlace them and bring them palms to the floor. And as we wiggle our hips side to side, the elbows are bending to help us drift our head back and forth. And then we come down on our elbows, and as we sway the head one direction, the hips are swaying the opposite direction. And this just awakens the spine side to side. Now we're going to tuck our chin into our chest, pull the chin out and chin into the chest, and pull the chin out, chin into the chest, and pull the chin out. Move the spine, chin in the chest, and pull out. Nice. And pull out. All right, now let's go and lift the knees off the floor. We're in our full dolphin, walking our right foot to box 3, swinging the knees away from the body. 2 and 3. This is feeling a little yummy in the hips. And 4 and 5. Step the right foot in and step the left foot to the top of the mat. Box 1, press the knees away. 2, good. And 3, be mindful of your shoulders. And 4, 1 more. And 5, All right, I'm going to do one more and then step that foot in. Draw the knees down towards the floor. Interlace the fingers behind the head and draw the elbows downward and fold forward. Stretch. Good, open up and then bring the elbows down towards the middle of the thigh. Feel the stretch in your neck. And slowly bring the palms to the floor and a deep stretch, nostril to knee, and namaste. And that's how you do your Tai Fascia Yoga with 4 poses.